Hi, this is Ashlyn with Bellevue Avenue, and I'm going to be showing you how to use our new flower peek-through overlays. So the first thing you're going to do is go to File, Place, then navigate to your peek-through flowers folders. There are two flower folders, the peek-through flower scenes, which are compositions of flowers that we've blurred and prepared for you, as well as our peek-through flowers, which are a little bit more detailed flower overlays. So on this image, I'm going to go to the peek-through flower scenes, and I'm going to pick peek-through scene number 12. And then after I've selected it, click Place. Now once it's been placed on your image, you have the ability to resize it or move it around to fit your taste. And obviously in this image, it's covering part of her face. So I'm going to drag the corner here. As you can see, the transform box is already in place. So I'm going to click on this corner and drag outwards until I'm satisfied, and I'm just going to move it around until it looks good to me. And that right there looks perfect to me. So then I'll click on the check mark to place it, and that's it. So let's go ahead and take a look at one more picture. In this image, I love that she's near the flowers, but I also wanted to add an additional foreground element up here to look as though I was shooting through some foliage, also to give the image a bit more depth to it. So again, go to File, Place, navigate to one of the folders that you would like to choose from, and I am going to choose this overlay and click Place. And then I actually like it just as it is. I don't want to make it any larger, and so I'll just keep it right there and then click the check mark. Now, since this image is already edited, it kind of has a richer tone to it, and these flowers are a little bit bright for this particular image. So what I like to do is create a new levels layer. So go down here and click Levels. And then I'm going to create a clipping mask so that it only affects the flowers and not the entire image. So I will right click on the levels layer, click Create Clipping Mask. Now any adjustments I make on this levels layer will only affect the flowers. Okay, so since it is a little bit brighter, I'm just going to darken it up by adjusting the midtones and bringing them down to darken them up. And that is it. So before and after. And let's go back to this one, before and after. So we hope you enjoy it. We'd also love to see your before and afters in our Facebook group, so head over there and share what you create. Thanks so much.